If you or your child struggles to read English, spell correctly, or say words the right way, this app was made for you. Hello, I am Afifa and I made PVPA Phonics. Most people think it's only for small children, but it's for anyone who wants to learn to read English properly. Whether your child is 4 years old and just starting, or you are an adult who wants to improve your spelling and pronunciation, this app takes you from the very beginning, step by step. The secret is simple. Instead of just memorizing words, you learn the sounds inside them. So, when you see a new word, you don't panic. You just listen to the sounds, put them together and read it yourself. That's exactly what the app teaches. Let me show you everything inside. The app is built around 4 levels and each one builds on the last. Level 1 is the foundation. You start with listening skills like rhyming, then learn the later sounds and begin blending them into your first words. Level 2 builds on that. Sounds combination like sh and so you can read bigger, richer words. Level 3 is reading mastery. Magically long vowels and breaking longer words into parts. This is where reading really takes off. Level 4 is fluency. Prefixes, suffixes, word roots, and reading smoothly and confidently. By the end, you are not just sounding out words, you are truly reading. Across every level, learning is built into games, so it never feels like studying. You play and practice your sounds at the same time. There are also decodable stories.
Tim had a big top.
Every word uses only the sounds you have already learned. So you can actually read the story yourself. That first moment you read a page on your own, that builds real confidence. And this is Pearl, a friendly AI tutor built right in. Pearls helps you practice and give gentle support like having a patient helper beside you. As a parent, you can track everything here. What your child has done and how they are progressing. And for teachers, there's full class dashboard too. No download needed, just open pvpaphonics.com on any device and start. Level 1 is completely free. So, that's PVPA Phonics. 4 levels, games, stories, an AI tutor and progress tracking all in one place. It doesn't matter if you're 4 or 40. If you want to read English, spell better or say words correctly, this app will take you there. One sound at a time. The link is in the description. Try it free today.